Okay, so quick update on Solana. Are we finally breaking out of this daily level of resistance here? I'm just going to highlight a few levels that I have. We broke out a few times. We broke out here, and then we broke out here before coming back into this consolidation sort of range area. So if we look at the resistance here, resistance, support, resistance, 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 and resistance. So it is a sensitive level going forward, and it's something that I want to keep on my chart for future reference if we do get that pullback. I'm also keeping an eye on this trend line. We've got some nice touches here: support, 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 and support. What I'm looking for, two things. My ideal setup would be a pullback on the daily. I know a lot of people don't want to hear that, but a pullback into this area of confluence where this trend line meets and this trend line meets is a perfect area for me to try and look for long setups. The other thing that I would be keen on looking at, we all obviously have a shelf of support here, or resistance, 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 and resistance that could turn to support. If we could get a daily close and retest, that's my second trade idea, and then we'll be coming up to try and target these levels. But if we get the pullback, I'm on hand, I'm ready, I know exactly where I want to be trading, I know exactly what I want to look for a long. And then if we break out of this shelf of resistance around 160, then that's where my next trade comes into play. So keeping it simple, looking at areas of confluence, looking for that pullback firstly, if we can get that, for higher prices. If we just decide to rip and break out, then I'm on hand to get involved with that as well.